Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another easy nail art video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Get my nail and come in with pink gel polish. This is on the lighter side and I'll give it a first coat, cure it, then come in with a second coat. Second coat, I'll come in with a top coat, but this time I'm not gonna cure it, I'll leave it wet. I'm going for glitter ombre and I'm using different shades of purple, from purple to pink. So I'll start with a darker purple glitter at the tip, then come in with a lighter color in the middle, then finally come in with the lighters at the end. As you can see, I dab over the gradients because I don't want that very sharp looking gradients. I want it to descend gently. I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. Let me know, do you like the design? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.